So today we will be looking for adding courses by subject. For example, if we go into our programs and we want to keep on following our short sheet roadmap, then we will be going to our roadmap. And I'm going to be searching for that class that I need. Keep in mind, if you already have a MyCap, then all of the classes that already a MyCap created, then all the classes that you prepare for will already be on your schedule planning. You would just have to search up for classes. But in this case, let's say that we don't have a MyCap and we want to look for a class. We're going to go ahead and start looking for the Math 1202 or the 1201. So let's go ahead and just put in Math. You'll be able to select the subject and the course. All of the courses that they're offering for Math will come up, but the one we're looking for right now is Math 1201. So Intro to Statistical Thinking. So we're just going to go ahead and add the course. This is the course description. You can go ahead and see if there's any prerequisites, anything like that, or it also tells you that it was formerly offered as Math 165. You can go ahead and add the course, and the courses that you're adding would be on this side. You will be able to see your shopping cart, your current schedule. Your desired courses are the ones you're adding now. Always keep in mind that if you have a MyCap, like I had mentioned earlier, you're able to see it through here. And like, for example, let's say my MyCap has Chemistry 1000 and Education Multiple Subject 2301, Intro to Education. If I want those as well, I'll just be able to select them and add them to my cart, my desired courses as well. You can also search by course attribute. So for example, if you're trying to look for a critical thinking course, and you can go ahead and do that. It shows you which ones are the options: communications, computer science, mathematics, philosophy, psychology, sociology, and it goes on. I'll tell you which one is the one that goes for that section, and you can just go ahead and search them up like that as well. You can also search by instructor. So for example, you know the instructor that's teaching the course, you just don't know the number. You can look it up. Like for example, let's go ahead and look up Kelly Dortch. I'll show the courses that she's teaching. So the 2970 and the arts and letters and 5952. So just kind of keep that in mind. So that's a source. That's the way that you add courses onto your schedule planner.